Hi everybody, welcome. We're the Gourd-geous gals, and today we are going to be doing a fun bird treat project for the winter. Lonnie has gotten together some marvelous things here. We're going to talk about what we're using first, which is the birdseed products. So these are the two products that we're using today, and we've actually mixed them together in the pretty little bowl here. And so we're going to start with that. So this is what we use. You guys can use whatever brands you want, whatever store that you have around where you live. And
the bird seed was picked up at Walmart, if you want to know where to go to get it.
Walmart for these two brands. And then we have some Cheerios, popcorn, oranges, and apples.
And the popcorn is a skinny popcorn with no butter or anything on it. It's just plain popcorn.
Yes, so everything that we're using today is raw, natural, no sugar, no
pine cones. We're going to put peanut butter on those and dip them in seed.
So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to get the products that we're going to be using out of the way, and then you guys can check out the actual project when we get started.
So what are those little things for?
They're just socks.
For what?
Bird seed socks. You just hang them. What? It's more bird seed.
This is bird seed in a sock, in case you were wondering.
Let's still look at it.
Oh. You want the seed?
How do they get it out of the...
They peck it.
Oh.
They just use their little beaks and peck it out.
Huh.
Oh, here's some. So I'm taking organic peanut butter, and I'm just going to spread the peanut butter on half of the apple, on the front and on the back.
One important thing that we are using that we didn't show you guys
And
is
then dip it in seed.
we actually chose to use some fishing line today, 8-pound test, believe it or not, and a nice big needle.
You can string it.
Put it through the fruit and whatnots. So I am going to go ahead and start with some oranges. And we're going to do it 2 times, guys. In that way, and then back through. Ba-bam. That way it actually holds it on there real good. And then we're going all the way to the end with this.
However far you want to go.
I'm going to take mine all the way to the end.
That's what I did.
And then I'm actually going to tie it. So you see that? I'm giving myself a little bit of room here. Go ahead and give yourself a good couple knots in there. As if you were fishing, right? The birds will be fishing for food later. So looky there, Wendy. Got me an orange slice.
Some popcorn, Cheerios. These are really good to eat too.
So not only do the birds get treats, but so do the humans. And you guys can make it however you choose, okay? Just get creative.
So you can see, covered the apple, half peanut butter, and then just dip it in the seed front and back, and then let the girls get it for whenever they want.
I'm going to take one of these buttes right here. Remember, we're going to go through twice. Once and then twice. That way it doesn't fall off as much, okay?
Kind of like in a U shape, huh?
Yes, you make a U. Hey, you! Make a U.
Can you pass me a...
What you like? One of these?
apple.
What do you like? Some apple with some bird seed. Bloody well. We got on there, Wendy. We got on there. Spot a tea again. Oh, we forgot our tea. To believe. And I would say the popcorn is probably the most dainty, but you know what? The birds love it.
We were going to add cranberries, but we couldn't find fresh cranberries. I tried to use frozen, but the frozen mushed down quite a bit. So
Apparently there's a cranberry shortage and we didn't know.
If you wait,
Well, it's kind of the wrong time of year.
I was gonna say, if you wait maybe
Another
into
month.
October.
yeah,
The end of October.
November, you'll be able to get cranberries. They would be really pretty to add in here too.
They'd be gorgeous. What's my orange?
Gourd-geous.
It would be. Oh, good one, Wendy. Did you guys hear that? Gorgeous. Because we are gorgeous gals.
Popcorn's a little tricky.
The popcorn is a little bit much sometimes.
The popcorn is hard.
Yeah, because it likes to break.
Break.
Plus, remember, you guys, we're using a thick gauge needle on here. Make it a little easier to get through the fruit. So yeah, cranberries would make this fruit a little prettier, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it?
Get the
You
red.
guys could use dried blueberries
But
too.
guess what? I don't think the birds are really going to care.
I don't think they're going to care much either.
They're just going to be excited. Oh, check out my fancy spatula. Can you see that? Here we're getting ready for fall, and I got a cute little Santa spatula.
Okay, I'm going
It
to hold this up
works.
so you guys can see how it's coming along here. See? Look it, it's a smile. You know, like when you're a kid, you get the oranges, you put them in your teeth.
Yes,
Like a
the
smile.
rind. Yep.
Yeah, that's good stuff right there.
Yep. Making a mess.
Ow!
Oh! Did you poke yourself?
Yes, I did.
Wendy poked herself. And guess what? My needle just fell off, so I'm going to retie it.
When was the
All
last time you went fishing?
Me? It's been a minute. It's been
Can't lose your line.
It's been
Hey.
a couple months.
How did Mark do on his fishing trip?
Fantastic.
Where'd he go?
Gonna have a fish fry.
Yep. Fish tacos.
Where'd he go?
They went out of Morro Bay.
Oh yeah, they're just
Um,
somewhere else. One of those brand people over there.
his company took the. There was like, you know, it's one of the big boats, and there was like only like maybe 15 of them. So the fishing was really good.
Good for them. You guys have fun with that? I'll be waiting on shore with a beer when you get back. Because I get seasick.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, really bad.
Oh,
I get
I-
land sick. I go fishing, I love it, have a good time. Then I get back on land and I.
I love it all.
I got good sea legs. I
I
don't
get
got
on
good
it.
land legs.
I get on a boat, and for me, it's like being in a cradle, and I feel like I'm being rocked.
Sorry. You
Love
feel,
it.
yeah, I feel like I'm being rocked right to throw up. That's about how that goes for me.
Oh, I find it very soothing.
I wish I did.
Love, love, love the water. Oh, the birds are calling to us.
They smell it.
You hear them?
They smell the goodness.
Actually, those are hummingbirds. Those are Wendy's menagerie of hummingbirds. She's probably got like 100, 150, I don't know, more.
Yeah.
Well, Darren just bought me another 50-pound sack of sugar, so that puts me at 300 pounds this year. And I
Y'all
don't
do
use
that.
sugar for anything. So
Yeah,
that's all
Ouch.
birds.
She's not the baker, I am.
I just like to eat, so whatever they make, I'll eat it.
I like the Cheerios. Those are easy to pile on.
They're easy to eat too.
So, this I don't know. This is a recipe that I got, from Garden Answer. Love that program. She does a lot of this kind of stuff. Stuff in the garden and planting. If you're not familiar with her,
Check her
it's
out.
worth checking out. But, do birds eat peanut butter?
Of course they do.
I mean,
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not a bird. I haven't talked to one recently. Have you? You know what? That's a good segment, you guys. We're gonna try to meet some birds and see what they like.
Do
you like-
peanut butter is on their menu?
I don't know. Do you have a Pacific brand you like?
Oh my goodness.
Do you like it chunky? Do you like it creamy?
Okay. So, do we want more birdseed apples? Or do you want me to move on to the
Pine cone?
Pine
pine
cones.
cones?
Yes.
Okay. Pine cones it is.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold mine up. You guys can check it out. I'm almost done with it. Look at my smile's bigger now. You guys are not. Yoo-hoo! Wendy, Lonnie.
Sorry.
The audience will be paying attention to you.
Thank you guys for paying attention to me.
I'm
Apparently these two
concentrating.
don't like me.
You have me doing stuff. Remember, I can only do one thing at a time. So here's
Don't bother Wendy
mine.
right
Oops.
now. She's busy.
You know what? I forgot to leave long enough to tie it
That's okay. We can add more.
because I can hardly hang on to this. There
Yes.
it goes.
Yay! Look. Looks good. Well, I looked at yours. You didn't look at mine. I'll show you mine.
I think I need to do more peanut butter on the pine cones.
Okay, so I lost it.
And I think the ones that are going to be closed up a little more are going to be easier. So we'll give that a try.
An apple, please.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This one's heavy. Maybe we should use 10-pound test. Whoa!
I was trying to.
10-pound test next time, okay? 10-pound test. 10-pound test. We are going to catch us some big birds. Okay. Popcorn. Oh, shit, that's... Apparently that's Wendy's orange. I will get some extra. I was trying to steal her orange from her bird garland. I've also noticed, you guys, if you stick it through the rind a little bit more,
Mother, I got
Teresa.
2 blood spots now.
I wonder if birds like blood. That's another good question we're gonna have to ask them.
We'll find out. If mine's the one they all go to. Leave my DNA all over the place.
They won't know if your hand's in a glove or not, right?
Right?
That's better. I think
Oh, that looks pretty. Here, let me
think-
show you guys.
the ones that are closed up are easier.
So, I'm gonna tie mine off with
And when we get a few of these done, we'll go hang them on some trees that Wendy has around her place, so you guys can see what they look like hanging from a tree.
Just don't hang them anywhere near your flower beds or anything because these seeds will grow. Just a little FYI.
Well, and not only that, I'm wondering if Mark is going to want these around here with the grapes.
We're almost ready to harvest.
Okay.
Okay, look it. Dun dun dun. Mine's done. Doo, 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 doo.
Okay,
Voila.
let me see. Let me see. Oh, cute. Look how you doubled up in the middle.
It's like a necklace.
Yes, it is.
You could wear it as a fruit necklace.
Actually, we could just tie these long ways instead of like a garland, right?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
look,
there's a lot of
I'm gonna
things.
stand up, y'all. You guys, we can hang them this way.
I would make a shorter string if you're gonna. I would do those as garland, but make them shorter if you're gonna hang them upside, straight up and down.
If you're gonna hang them, probably go around about right here, around 2 feet-ish.
Yeah.
We're close to 3 feet.
Oh, that's kind of cute though.
But
Because the thing you want
either way,
to keep in mind is you want them high enough that while the birds are eating, the cats can't get to them.
true. But that might be entertaining.
Scissors.
Yes. Hold on. Let me put my garland on the
Actually,
table.
oh, I can't hold on to anything. Can we cut that? Yep. Thank you.
Okay, so, and then what we're gonna do with the pine cones is use some twine. You guys could also use yarn or fishing line even, like we're using. And I'm just gonna loop mine kind of around the top like so.
And I'm just spreading the peanut butter in all the little
crevices.
Mm-hmm.
See, like that.
That's cute.
So then you could just tie that in a tree. This one. And then Lonnie made some little ones in cupcake tins.
Those were really easy to do. All I did was heat up a cup of water and then added 2 packages of gelatin mix and 6, I think it was 6 tablespoons of Caro's syrup, and then mixed it in with 10 cups of the bird seed that was out here earlier. And then I filled the cups half full. And then I put the string or the yarn in it and then filled it the rest of the way and kind of packed it down. And they turned out pretty cute.
They turned out really cute. So we hung a couple around the yard already of these. So we'll show you guys in just a minute
They're cute little pine cones.
what we got going. And I'm just doing just a simple little tie around, you guys. Just a little knot in here. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Go. Put that off because it looks better. Alright, so I'm going to go hang this in the tree.
So say if you want to coat that pine cone with bird seed, you're welcome to do that.
Yeah, look.
I was on peanut butter duty. That was my assignment today.
Okay.
You want help?
Here,
Okay, I'm going to
assign me the peanut butter. Can you see her back there? Where is she?
Do you see her back there?
She's way back there. Here comes the wind.
Okay.
It's okay. We're ready. This mix will attract cardinals and blue jays and woodpeckers, songbirds, orioles, finches, wide variety of birds.
Depends on where you live, how many what types of birds you have.
Yep.
Some places have way more birds than we do here.
Well, and you can do your seed according to your area and what birds you do have.
You can also use dehydrated fruit too. In case you were wondering.
If you weren't, very cute.
There it is. Voila. That's it. Done deal. Hi everybody, so we're going to show you what we did with the bird hanger, feeder thing, and whatever you call them. See, there's it hanging in the tree. We've already had blue jays at it, and there's, you see the home swamps there. And then over here is one of those little muffin things. And there's another one hanging in the oak tree. there. So that's what they're doing. Hanging for the birds. Enjoy!